82, 80. Sub-registrar.
Yes, paper.
ನೀವು ಸಬ್-ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರಾರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ.
No, I am the complaint is filed against me, my lord.
Correct.
Second respond to the sub-registrar.
Complainant is a sub-registrar.
Complaint.
Yes, sir.
ಖರಾಬ್ ಜಾಗನ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. No, my lord.
Look into the records and tell me, sir.
Yes, sir.
Learned additional SPP to ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನಾನೇ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್. Place the matter for admission. The additional SPP to secure instructions and make submissions on the next date. List on 27th in the fresh matters list. Yes.
42.
Explosives.
Explosives, Your Lordship. He was not there, Your Lordship, because he was out of country, Your Lordship.
Who was out of country? Land nimde?
Land, Your Lordship, it's granted by the KADB.
No.
And I was given the contract to
You may have been elsewhere. That's a different thing. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
persons were taken the blast, Your Lordship. Construction work I have given to them. ಪಾಯ ಹಾಕೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು. KADB has been granted the land. ಪಾಯ.
But he is the owner of the property.
Other than being the owner, what else?
Just check what.
Additional SPP is directed to accept notice for the respondents. The petitioner submits that he is the owner of the property who was in the United States of America at the time when the UAE, United Arab Emirates, at the time when the incident takes place. It is a submission that he had issued a contract in favor of the other accused who have indulged in the offense that would become the ingredients of the ones punishable under the Explosives Act. Based on the said submission, in the light of the said submission, there shall be an interim order of stay, accused number 1 only, till the next date of hearing. CC ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ. So it is made clear that further proceedings against the other accused shall continue.
43.
I am appear for petitioner in this case, my lord. Punishable offense under section 306.
306. Mother-in-law.
Charge frame.
Charge frame ಆಗಿದೆ. ಯಾವತ್ತು?
12/7/2020.
Last date of
12/7?
2024.
Last date of hearing.
Last date?
Last date of hearing before filing.
4th June 24. But as on today, charge is framed.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ಅಲ್ಲ, ನನ್ನ ಮಗ ಲವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದೇ ಉದ್ದೇಶಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ
ಏನ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಸ್ಟಿ
ಅಲಿಗೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Direction may be issued to dispose of early.
No, we should make some distinction. See, if file ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ charge frame ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ something has to be done. Petition is filed on 4th June.
Yes.
Because there is no allegation against the mother-in-law or whoever the petitioner is.
A2. A1 ಲವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಡಿಸೀಸ್ಡ್.
A1 is different. A2 is the mother of A1.
ಅಲ್ಲ
ಮತ್ತೆ
ಡಿಸೀಸ್ಡ್ ಮಗಳನ್ನ ಲವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ಮಗ.
ಅದನ್ನೇ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ. A1 ಯಾರು?
A1 ಡಿಸೀಸ್ಡ್ ಲವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು.
ಅದನ್ನೇ ಮದರ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಅದು? Yes, comment.
They're not mother and son.
Just look into it. In petitions that are already filed and not posted before the court, for that reason, if charges are framed, ಇವತ್ತು ಯಾವ ತರ ಆ ತರದಿತ್ತ ನೋಡಿ.